Good morning, mighty owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Monday, September 21st, 2020. It's an A day. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now it's time for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, Idea South Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here are some things that are going on right now. On Thursday, we had our first virtual Loteria night, and so many of you won prizes. It was so exciting to see you all there. Another thing that's going on is that next Monday, September 28th, for those scholars that are coming back to school, 3rd through 5th grade. Again, 3rd through 5th grade will be able to come to school starting next Monday, the 28th. If your parents haven't filled out their survey to tell us whether you're coming to school or staying virtual, please have your parents fill that out. Some other exciting things I saw is scholars were working hard to make sure that they were owl ready. That means looking at the teacher, following along with directions, and working hard. Thank you for all you outstanding owls. Remember, scholars, every day is a great day to learn. Have a great day. Hoot, hoot!